Hello viewers, thank you for viewing, thank you for commenting, thank you for following up this relationship series. If you know that you have not commented, you have not shared, you have not subscribed, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, please share my video, comment, tell people what this video is all about. Okay, in today's video I'll be discussing about why marriage fell. Why do marriage fail? From the beginning, God made marriage to succeed. Many marriages are having challenges, problem, crisis today because of what? Because they didn't know what marriage is all about. They didn't prepare for it. They are not ready for it. They rush into the marriage and causing problem, causing crisis, causing challenges. I have seen many great men, many great women of God, many great men of God who have actually failed in this marriage because they think that marriage is what you can even go in there, give birth, eat food, drink, and that is all. No, that's why I have a lot of reasons why marriages fail, but I will limit myself to certain reasons. Number one reason why marriage fail is lack of purpose. As a man, as a woman, if you don't have purpose why you want to go into this marriage, please don't even go there. That's why the Bible says, for this reason, for this cause, for this purpose, there is a purpose God made for a marriage. There is a reason God made for that marriage. If you know that you don't know why you are getting into that marriage, you don't know what is pushing you into this marriage, you don't need to go in there. You don't need to even start thinking about it. As a man, if you know that you don't have job, you don't have where you are going to, why do you want to come and bring a woman into that home to help you? As a woman, you know that you are not ready to help a man to build his career, to build his job, to build his home. You don't even need to allow the man to marry you at all. You know why you are going into that marriage. You know the reason you are getting into that marriage, and you prepare yourself for it, and you go there and make your home beautiful. Don't go in there and create problem, crisis for your children, and you rush out and say this marriage has failed me because you didn't work for it, you didn't prepare for it. The second reason why marriage fail is lack of maturity. Marriage is meant for a man, not for a boy. That's why Bible says, for this reason shall a man, not a boy. Now there is difference between a man and a boy. When you see a man is independent, while a boy is dependent. A man is the type that takes responsibility and do his duty. He knows what he's supposed to do. He pays his bills. But a boy is the type that always depending, maybe his parents. He needs somebody to wash his clothes, needs somebody to take care of his food, arrange his house. But a man is mature enough to take care of himself. There is a difference between a boy and a man. A man marry according to purpose, while a boy marry because of sex. Yes. When you see a man is this type that is mature enough. He mature physically, that when you see him, you know that he's a grown-up man. He's mature enough to pick a wife. A man is a type that's mature mentally. The way he's reason, the way he talk, when you see him, you know that this person is mature enough to have a wife. Another thing, man is mature spiritually. When you see him, you know that yes, this person is mature in the things of God, to carry his family along and to carry everybody along in the things of God. But when you see a boy is not mature mentally. The way he reasons, he still call his parents when he have a problem in a home. he still beat the wife, look for people that will give him money. You see him, maybe he's a 15-year boy, he's not even mature in the age, and you want to pick a wife. Maybe he's not mature spiritually. When you see a boy, he's not mature spiritually. Because of what? Because he's not ready to be a man. He's not ready to have a wife. Also, marriage is meant for a wife, not for a woman. A wife is mature physically, mentally, and spiritually. A wife is the type that knows her role. She plays it. She knows that she came into that home to help to build a home. She knows what she's supposed to do and do them. So there will be peace and harmony and joy in that home. The third reason why marriage fails is lack of preparation. Preparation is the key to successful marriage. When you are not preparing, you are indirectly preparing to fail. Preparation involves learning how to handle a man, handle a woman, handle a home. Please learn from people who are successful in their marriage. And also, read books, attend seminars. Practice what you have learned with your sister, with your brother, with your wife or your husband. My advice is, if you are not yet married, please take time to prepare for it. And if you are married and you are having crisis in your home, you can make a change today. It's not late. You can take time to learn and make it work, so you can have a happy home, a happy family, and have a joyful life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video. I love you.